The idea of a wormhole connecting Earth's two magnetic poles may seem far-fetched, and that's because it is, but it's nevertheless a fascinating theory to explore. The basis for this theory is actually something called the hollow Earth hypothesis, which was first posed in 1692 by English astronomer Edmund Halley. Now, this is a man whose work in astronomy led him to having a comet named after him, so we can at least take his crazy idea semi-seriously. The theory has it that Earth is either entirely hollow, or at least contains a significant amount of empty space, with a small interior sun also present at the core of our world. Entrances to this interior Earth were said to be located at the North and South Poles, and during World War II, a certain Austrian dictator with precisely zero chill even sent an expedition out to investigate this theory. In recent years, the idea of a hollow Earth has gone one of two ways. It's been dismissed using seismic and gravitational evidence, and it's been expanded upon using modern discoveries. In May 2016, NASA released a series of images of the North Pole which showed a large, unidentified hollow, previously undocumented by mainstream science. Conspiracy theorists claim that this was evidence of the hollow Earth's polar entrance, and with recent Google Earth images showing blurred regions of our Arctic and Antarctic regions, they say this lends further credibility to their hypothesis. However, while some of these people believe a living organic world exists within Earth's hollow interior, others say this simply isn't true. The alternative theory concludes that the hollow space connecting Earth's north and south poles is actually a giant space-time wormhole, which was created due to the presence of a black hole formed at the center of our hollow Earth. Nobody's been able to come up with an explanation as to where these wormholes lead, or if they're stable enough for human beings to travel through. Perhaps they just lead to each other, and if so, why haven't penguins used it to conquer the North Pole? Or maybe these wormholes lead to outer space or a parallel dimension. Who knows? This theory is interesting to ponder for a moment, and it is of course true that we don't know a great deal about our planet's interior. But is the idea of a polar wormhole several steps beyond crazy? Or could it possibly be true? Ooh, maybe that's how Santa travels around the world so fast. Wormholes! Now it all makes sense.